Hello and welcome to How Rich Does It. And today is May 2nd, 2020, day 2 of my weight loss journey. And today my weight check-in was 227 pounds. Yesterday was 232.5 pounds. Yes, that is 5.5 pounds difference. I really don't pay much attention to that. I'm just keeping a little bit more tabs on it, but I really don't get excited about weight loss until about day 4 or 5. Sometimes I've seen that around day 3, a couple of those pounds come right back. Yeah, 5 pounds in a day is not something that is really typical or normal. I contribute that to maybe my last few meals that I had or whatnot, but I mean, it's the same scale. I have it in the same place every day, and I do it in my underwear only, so my clothing doesn't change either. But like I said, I really don't get excited for a few more days, and then we'll take a look at it, and I'm sure it will level off. Let's see. Yesterday was pretty good. I would say, I was thinking yesterday, and I said to myself, I bet you I'm doing well over 3,500 calories a day, and most of it is just carbs and sugar. So yesterday I noticed that automatically I wasn't eating the ice creams that I was snacking on throughout the day. I didn't have the soda with my meals. I wasn't snacking with bags of chips while I'm watching TV, and all of that. Those are just dead carbs, dead sugar. What I did end up eating is I had that vegetable stir fry that I made. I had that with a piece of chicken, and the chicken was something that my wife made in an air fryer. So those are pretty neat. It almost tastes like something that you would have fried in some type of grease, but it's just an air fryer, so it's pretty good. And then my second meal, I had a banana and an apple in between, and my second meal ended up being later than I wanted it to, but I had quite a bit going on yesterday evening, and which was another large bowl of my vegetable stir fry with another chicken breast, and that was pretty much it. I drank water. I felt okay, but you get kind of used to grabbing for those bags of chips, especially when all of that is available, because this is just something that I'm doing. Everybody else in the house is still eating regular. Sometimes they say, well, when you're on a diet, we're all on a diet. No, that's not around here. I do a good portion of the cooking, so it's still the hot cakes and the sausage and the hash browns for breakfast, and eggs and whatnot. But this is just for me. This is my personal journey, and this is how Rich does it. So today I had a bowl of oatmeal. I used just water instead of milk or anything else, and I chopped up a couple of bananas and some cinnamon and a little bit of raw honey, and that was pretty much it. I drank a couple of glasses of water, and I'm good to go. So later on this afternoon, I will finish up my stir fry, and I will do my juicing. I hope to make a video of my juicing sometime today, so you guys can see pretty much how I put it together and what goes into it. And then I will finish my dinner with a juice this evening. My water intake will definitely increase. All these people, I know when I was doing my water fasting last time, they're, oh, you need to get to a gallon and a half a day. Trust me, it was even hard to get down half a gallon a day, and I was still healthy, and everything was still on point. And the way I really do know that is because during that time, I was going to the doctor quite a bit, and they were doing a lot of blood work, because they were trying to figure out what was going on, going all the way back to that hernia I had. I was having a lot of pain in my stomach, and they were trying to do all of these different tests instead of just checking to see if I had a hernia. But long story short, my numbers were amazing. My doctor even said, hey, whatever you're doing, keep it up, because there's nothing wrong with you, as far as what, inside. But it was a hernia. But at least I got to see some numbers on blood work. that what I was doing was actually awesome. So I already pretty much know what it's going to be this time again, because I'm going to do the same things, but like I said, just a lot slower this time. I would suggest to you guys, everyone keep a journal. Keep a journal, write down how you're feeling. You don't have to write down what you ate. I never count calories, and what I'm doing, I know that I'm going from, like I said, probably 3,500 calories, at least that, probably down to, I would say, maybe 1,500, but in a very healthy, clean way. I'll be tightening up every video you see. It will be something a little bit different. But right now I'm just trying to get my body used to it. I'm trying to let these carbs and these sugars, get out of my system, so you don't have, the carb raging, where you're just really short-tempered and whatnot, or you just have the headaches and, just withdrawals from sugars and carbs, because, I mean, sugars, they're worse than heroin to get off of. So I am adjusting this slowly, and hopefully this time I have figured out what to do and what not to do. So today I will be also looking at what I'm going to be doing for the next few days beyond that, as far as meal prepping, what I'm going to be having, and at what point do I feel comfortable enough to get down to like 2 meals a day. At what point will I introduce a 24-hour water fasting? So all of those will probably be within the next 5 days. Within the next 3 days, I want to see where my weight truly is at. From yesterday to today, that large 5-pound fluctuation, that's a fluke. I just want to get it more stable and see how much weight I truly am losing. And I really don't care about the first few days, but I am keeping track of it, because I want everyone else that's involved to be able to follow what I'm doing on a daily basis. But for right now, I think that's about it. I may be doing another video later on today, like I said, with my juicing and maybe some more information. I just wanted to touch bases with everyone and let you guys know that, hey, I'm doing good. I feel great. When you eat this way and you're full, you don't have that sluggish feeling like when you eat a great big meal full of carbs and sugars and you just want to take a nap or just lay on the couch. With this, you're full, you're satisfied, but you're able to still just carry on and move on about your day and do other things. And that was one of the things that I was missing, and that's one of the things that I really am enjoying the benefits already of, is just being able to feel great and don't have the ups and down spikes of energy. So with that said, please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel if you're new to watching these videos, and maybe you'll join this journey with me. And you can share them with other people. Maybe you want to get other friends or family members involved, and but really challenge yourself first and foremost, because only you can let you down, and only you can cheat on your own health, or you can advance it by trying to eat better, and ultimately also exercise. Exercise is very important, but right now this is just all about losing weight with eating better. So as always, please be kind to one another and be safe out there. Goodbye.